Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to log in to your GoDaddy account if you can't receive the verification code. Two-step verification is important for security, but not receiving your code can be frustrating. Follow these steps to regain access safely. Step 1. Go to the GoDaddy login page and enter your username and password as usual. Step 2. When prompted for the verification code, click on I can't access my code or try another way. This option will lead you to alternative verification methods. Step 3. Use a backup method if available. If you previously set up backup codes, select the option to enter one of these codes to complete the login process. Step 4. Try an alternative verification method. GoDaddy may allow you to receive the code via email instead of SMS, or vice versa. Follow the instructions for the alternative method provided. Step 5. Ensure your device and contact information are correct. If your phone number or email has changed, update your recovery options through GoDaddy support. Step 6. Contact GoDaddy customer support if you still can't log in. Provide your account details and explain that you cannot receive the verification code. The support team will help you regain access securely. Following these steps will help you log into your GoDaddy account even when the verification code isn't working. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.